At Hill's Law Office, we're committed to excellence in everything we do.
Including the people we hire.
That's why we're so proud to announce our newest attorney,
Tony DeAgostino.
All right.
My name is Tony DeAgostino, and I'm a criminal defense attorney at Hills at Law. I went to Western Michigan University. I have 2 bachelor's degrees from there, one in criminal justice, one in sociology. After Western Michigan, I went to Penn State for law school. I was on the moot court team there. I really centered my studies around criminal law with the goal in mind to become a criminal defense attorney. After I graduated from Penn State, I moved back to Kalamazoo, where I clerked for a circuit court judge in that county, and then after that I became a prosecutor. My time as a prosecutor, I think, is going to greatly help me in the criminal defense realm. I know how a prosecutor is going to look at a case. I know how they're going to try to organize a case. I know what they're going to attempt to do to cover up maybe some of the weaknesses in their case and to lean on some of the strengths of their case. So knowing how a prosecutor is going to prepare is going to help me greatly in constructing a defense and reaching resolutions. Listening is extremely important to a client. You have to be able to listen and understand what it is that they want, what it is that they need, what their goals are. Along with that comes communication. Once you listen and understand what they want and need, you need to communicate where the case is at, how things are going, how we are going to help them reach their goals. And I think that understanding that your clients are not just clients or they're not just cases, there's an entire person on the other side of that, and treating them as a person with empathy, understanding, to try to reach their goals is extremely important. Picking the correct attorney is extremely important for a couple of reasons. Number one, obviously, you want the best outcome for yourself that you can get. And there are a lot of different outcomes that can happen when you get involved in the criminal justice system. But more important, or maybe just as important as getting the correct outcome, is making sure that you're heard along the way. You want an attorney that's going to make sure that they listen to you, they hear you, they understand you, to help you reach those goals. And if you don't get an attorney that is going to listen to you and understand you, you may not reach that goal. And if you don't reach that goal and you don't feel heard throughout the process, it's really going to feel like a total loss. So picking a correct attorney is extremely important. You want to make sure that you find somebody that listens and that understands you and is willing to help you reach your goal. I think a client should choose me because I have experience not only as a prosecutor and understanding how a prosecutor is going to prepare for a case, but I was also a law clerk for a circuit court judge, and I understand what the judges want to see and how to communicate effectively with the judge, with the prosecutor, how to successfully prepare a defense against a prosecutor, and how to communicate effectively with the court and with prosecutors to reach resolutions that are going to match up with the client's ultimate goal.